Now students, here see ordinal numbers in the order which position it is, on first position, second position, third position, fifth, sixth, seventh, whatever position. This is ordinal number. So these questions are based on ordinal number. Here first, how many children were there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 children were there. So first one name is Anu, second one is Rohan, third one Chanchal, fourth one Saurabh, fifth one Gaurav, sixth one Kanchan, and seventh one Rohit. Once again the names. The first one is Anu, second one Rohan, third one name Chanchal, fourth one name Saurabh, fifth one name Gaurav, and sixth one name Kanchan, and seventh one name is Rohit. So they are standing like this in this position. Okay. Now here first question is given. Rohan is the dash from the right. First of all we have to check where is the Rohan. Here the Rohan. Rohan, he is a Rohan. So he is from right. From right means from here to we have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth place. He is in sixth. This answer is correct. Sixth from right. From here, from right side, we have to count where is Rohan. First, where is Rohan? Here is a Rohan. From the right, we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So he is in sixth place. Now, Gaurav is the dash from the left. Where is Gaurav? Here Gaurav. He is a Gaurav. So what's his place from left? From left means here. From left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth place. This answer is correct. Here fifth from left. Then next, Saurabh is the dash from the right. Where is the Saurabh? Here Saurabh. So he is dash from the right. Right side is from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth is the answer. Fourth from the right. In this way we have to write our ordinal numbers. So where is actually position? From the right. If we ask from the right, so we check from the right. If we ask from the left, so we have to check from the left. So where, in which position they were. That position we have to write. Answers also given. So in this answer, which one is correct? You make tick and write in the box. Okay. Now, odd and even numbers. What are odd and even numbers? We know odd and even numbers. Odd numbers are the numbers which are divisible by 2, and odd numbers are not divisible by 2. Even numbers are divisible by 2. So then even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, so on. So all these numbers are divisible by 2. Odd numbers starts from 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, and 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, so on. All these are odd numbers. These numbers are not divisible by 2. So here he is asking to write odd numbers. So we have to write odd numbers between 10 to 50. So 10 is an even number. Why? Because this is a 0. So then 11 is an odd number. 11. If a number is even number or odd number, we have to check last means ones place. If ones place is odd, if ones place of a number is odd, the number is odd. If ones place of a given number is even, the number is even. So either it is even or odd. So by observing by saying that ones place. What is in ones place? If in ones place, if odd number is there, then the number is odd. In ones place, even number is there, then the number is even. Here 11. 11 means in ones place 1 is there. So this is the odd number. After 11, 13 will come. So which one? 13. This is in ones place. What is there in ones place? Ones place 3 is there. So 3 means odd number. So complete number is odd number. So whatever number it is, so we have to check ones place. If ones place odd number is there, then the number is odd number. Either it is a 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number, 1000-digit number, whatever it is. Just we have to check ones place. In the ones place odd number is there, then the number is odd. In the ones place even number is there, then the number is even. Then 13 after 15, after 17, after 15, 17 is ones place, ones place. In the ones place 5 is there, 5 is odd, 7 is odd, and 19, 9 is odd, 21, 1 is odd, 23, 3 is odd, 25, 5 is odd, 27, 7 is odd, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, now 29, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So like this, then 29, after 31, 33, 35, 37, 39. The ones place 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Then 41, 41, 43, 45, 47, 49. So all these numbers are odd numbers between 10 to 50. 10 to 50 odd numbers are 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 33, 35, 37, 39, 41, 43, 45, 47, 49. So how? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in ones place. In ones place 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. If 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, any of these numbers will come in ones place, then the number is odd. Then the number is odd. Okay? Now, we have to write even numbers between 71 to 91. 71. 71, then 72 is even number. 2 is divisible by 2. So that is why it is even. Then 74. In ones place 4 is there. 4. 4 is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4. Then 76. 6 is divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6. So it is even number. 78. 8 is divisible by 2. Then 80. 8 is also 2 0 are 0 only. So 0 also even number. 0 also even number. Then 82. 2 is even number. Then 84. 4 is even. Then 86. Even number. 88. Even number. Then 90. 2 4 6 8 0. 0 2 4 8 6. 0 2 4 6 8. 0 2 4 6 8. In this number, if any number will come in ones place, the number is even. So what numbers? 0 2 4 6 8. In these 5 numbers, 0 2 4 6 5. In these 5 numbers, any one number will come in the ones place, then the number is even. Then other than this which number? 1 3 5 7 9. These 5 numbers will come in the unit place, means ones place, then the number is odd. This is the difference between even numbers and odd numbers. Okay? Let's now students here. The 10th question is given. The coaches of a train shows here are numbered from 1 to 10. Look at the picture and fill up the blank. So here this is complete train. In this train, coaches are numbered from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 coaches were there in this train. So these 10 coaches, in these 10 coaches, some questions are given based on these coaches. So we have to read the question and answer it. First one, the girl with the pink top is sitting in the dash coach. pink color. Here yellow color, blue color, pink color. So pink color on fourth. Pink color on fourth coach. Fourth coach. Okay. Now in the third coach, a girl with dash top is sitting. Third coach. This is third coach. This girl sitting with which top? Blue color. With a blue top. So blue top girl sitting in third coach. Next, two children are sitting in the dash coach. Here one child, here two children. Here two children sitting in fourth coach. Now, the boy in the dash coach is looking back. Here is a boy. He is looking backside. So he sits in the eighth coach. Eighth coach. Okay. Now dash and dash coaches are empty. No children were there. So two on fifth, in the sixth coach, in the seventh coach, and in ninth coach. In these coaches are empty. Second coach, fifth coach, sixth, seventh, and ninth. These are empty coaches. Okay. So like this we have to see and we have to fill the blanks. Okay. Thank you. Yes, now friends, here brain booster. So again we recapitulate what we did in our workbook. Again in brain booster we recapitulate all the sums. So fill in the blanks. First we have to fill the blanks. The smallest 10-digit number. So that we know. So the smallest number starts from 10. So that is why 10 is the smallest 2-digit number. Smallest 2-digit number is 10. And in the similar way, smallest 3-digit number is 100. 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. You should remember this. 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. The number name of 99. We have tried 99. 99. Okay. Now the numeral for the 31. 31 means 31. 31. Next, the place value of 9 in this 97. This is ones place. This is tens place. It is in tens place. So we read our blank and we fill in our blanks. Okay, like this we have to do. And here greater than less than already we did, and again recapitulate this. The greater than less than. How to compare? We did. First we check tens place. 5, they have equal, and we go for ones place. 0 and 5. In 0 and 5, 0 is less, so here less. 50 is less than 55. The same way, ones tens. In tens place, 6 is there and 2 is there. 6 is greater, so greater than symbol. So here it is in ones place, it is in tens place, it is in ones place, it is in tens place. So 4 and 4 they are equal. Now we check tens ones places. 3 and 9. 3 and 9 is a 9 is bigger and 3 smaller, so less. 3 smaller, so that is a less value. 43 is less than 49. So like this we have to do. And after that arrange in descending order. Descending order means decreasing order. Decreasing one means first we have to take bigger one. In this one, say in this numerals, this is in ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numerals were given. In this we have to check tens place. 8, 2, 4, 3, 6. 8, 2, 4, 3, 6. 8 is a bigger. First we have to make bigger one. 8, 1. Then after that, smaller than this is 6. 63. And smaller than 6 is 4, 44. Smaller than 4 is 3, 38. Smaller than 38 is 29. 81, 63, 44, 38, 29. Next, this descending order. Descending order, decreasing order. So this is in ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place, ones tens, ones tens. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 new orders. Now we have to check in tens place. 3, 2, 4, 6, 1. 3, 2, 4, 6, 1. 6 is a bigger, 67. Then after 6, 4, 48. After 4, 3, 31. After 3, 2, 29. After 2, 1. In this way we have to arrange in descending order, decreasing order. Now wise words in ascending order. Ascending order, in short AO means ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. First we have to write place values ones, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens. How many numerals are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this 5, tens place 6, 1, 3, 3, 1. 1, 1. These two are smaller. In 1, 1, these two are smaller. Then we go for 4 and 9. 4. 14 is a smaller. First smaller one, bigger than this is 19. We have to compare 14 and 19. 14 is a smaller and 19 is a bigger. Next 3, 3. Here 3, 3 is there in tens place. We compare ones places. 9 and 3. In 9 and 3, which one is a bigger? Which one is smaller? 33 is a smaller. First we take smaller one and bigger one. Then 69. After that 69. In this way we have to arrange. In this also ones, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens. Now we compare tens places. 8, 3, 5, 7, 1. 8, 3, 5, 7, 1 means 3 is smaller, 36. And bigger than this is 4, 49. Bigger than 4 is 5, that is 53. Bigger than 5 is 7, 71. Then bigger than 7 is 8, 81. So it is in ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. Increasing order. Already we did in our workbook, previous sums we did 4 sums. Again here we recapitulate BEC sums we did. What are sums left? That is here home assignment. Here more 2 sums were there. So that 2 sums you do as your home assignment. Okay. Now students, the next question. Find the following numbers. Circle the last digit of that number and write if it is odd or even in the given brackets. Here, general questions are given for your house number. Suppose, for example, I am taking here, for example, 14-254. 254. This is house number. So this house number is even number or odd number. So what he is saying, last digit. Circle the last digit. So what is the last digit here? 4. 4 is the last digit. So if 4 is even or odd, that we have to write here in the bracket. 4 is divisible by 2. So it is even number. So it is even. Now your date of birth. So your date of birth 2009 suppose. If suppose your date of birth is 2009, then so the last letter, what is the last number? 9. 9 is not divisible by 2, divisible by 2, so that is odd number. So this one is odd number. This one is odd number. Next, your telephone number. Your telephone numbers, for example, I am taking here 4725913. So this is a telephone number. So in this telephone number, what is the last place? Last is 3. 3, it is an odd number. Why it is an odd number? It is not divisible by 2. It is not divisible by 2. So it is odd number. It is odd number. Your vehicle number. So whatever your vehicle number, just write your vehicle number. For example, I am here, so and so number I am taking here. 5896. This is the vehicle number, last digit. So what is in the last digit? 6 is there. 6 is divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6. So it is even number. Even. So already we discussed what is even number and what is odd number. The numbers which are divisible by 2 are even numbers. The numbers which are not divisible by 2 are odd numbers. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 7 are even numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are odd numbers. Okay. Now, here, sixth question. So, my name consists of 5 letters. So, read the clue and fill in the boxes. Find my name. Find my name. So, here my name stands for 5 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 letters. So, we have to fill these 5 letters using this clue. So, what is the clue? First and fourth letter of my name is A. This is first letter. This is first, second, third, fourth, fifth. 5 letters. In these 5 letters, first and fourth is A. Here A and here A. In first and fourth, A is there, and fifth letter is Y. Fifth letter is Y. The third letter is H. And second letter is B. Then this is the name, Abhay. What is the name? Abhay. So like this, using the clue. This is a clue. 4 clues are given. Using these 4 clues, we have to find the name. First, what is given here? First and fourth letters of my name are A. First and fourth. First and fourth are A. Here A and here A. And fifth letter is Y. Fifth letter is Y. And third letter is H. And the second letter is B. So like this we have to find the name using the clues. Okay. Yes, now students. So this is also greater to smallest. Means, so what descending order? Ascending order. Ascending means increasing order. Descending means decreasing order. Decreasing order. Greater to smallest means decreasing order we have to arrange. Some numbers are given. 66, 55, 44, 99, 77, 23, 88. Then how to arrange this in greater to smaller? Greater to smaller. That we know. First 99 is a greater number. Then after that 88. Then after that 77. After that 77, 66. Then after that 55. Then after that 44. Then after that 23. Like this we have to arrange the given numbers in descending order, greater to smaller. Decreasing order: 99, 88, 77, 66, 55, 44, 33. So how to decide which one is greater? So based on tens place. Tens place: 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Like this we have to decide. Okay. Now, so in this enrichment activity, we are going to do activity. So what is there in the activity? So in the activity, so you know how to know that the number is even and the number is odd. Either the number is even or either the number is odd. So in this, the concept, the main aim, the main motto is to understand what is the even number and what is the odd number. For that, first we have to take a sheet, Vindhya sheet. So in this Vindhya sheet, so in first we have 17 Vindhyas, in second 12 Vindhyas. So then what we have to do? First we have to shift first one pair to other sheet, these two. One pair means these two. So we have to stick in another sheet, and after that these two Vindhyas over. So then this much left, then other pair, so we have to shift here, and one more pair we have to shift and we have to stick on another sheet like this, and the next this pair we have to take and we have to shift on another sheet, and after that one more pair we have to take and we have to shift on another sheet, and then one more pair we have to take and remove and stick in another sheet, and after that one more pair we have to take and shift and we have to stick on another sheet, and here also we have to take one more pair and stick on other sheet, and one bindya is left. One is left, there is no pair. If one is left, if like this one is left means that is odd number. That is odd number. Here 17 number of bindyas we are taking. So in that how many without pairing? Without pairing is 1. Without pairing, build left without pairing 1. Here we don't have any pairing. Here we don't have any pairing. So this one is left. So that is why this is the odd number. This is the odd number. So in the same way, here 12 bindyas are there. First we have to shift one pair. One pair we have to shift one pair of bindyas, and second bindis, and third pair, and fourth pair, fifth pair, and sixth pair. Total 6 pairs. So 6 pairs 12. So no pair, no bindyas left here, no bindis left here. So 0 bindis. So this is even number. This is even number. If no bindis were left without pairing, so that means the number is even. Here 12 is even. Here one bindi is left without pairing, so this is odd numbers. In the same way, so 9, 18 and 15 you have to take and you have to do and find the number is even or odd. In this way, so we better to know, so either the number is even or odd. So if bindi is left, then the number is even. If bindi is not left, then the number is even number. Okay? Thank you.